New York, Reuters, U.S. stocks were mixed on Thursday, seesawing between positive and negative territory during the session as strong economic data offset disappointing earnings reports from several companies. A sharp drop after the open had pushed the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average below their 200-day moving averages, a key technical indicator of longer-term momentum, but both indexes paired losses to rise back above those levels. At 3:16 p.m. ET, the Dow Jones Industrial Average (DJI) rose 37.37 points, or 0.16%, to 23,962.35, the S&P 500 SPX lost 3.97 points, or 0.15%, to 2,631.7, and the Nasdaq Composite IXIC dropped 3.73 points, or 0.05%, to 7,097.16. Shares of insurer American International Group Inc., AIGN, and drug distributor Cardinal Health Inc., CAHN, plunged after the companies reported quarterly results. AIG, down 6.2%, and Cardinal Health, down 19.6%, were among the biggest drags on the S&P 500. On the other hand, U.S. economic data provided a more upbeat outlook. The number of Americans receiving unemployment aid fell to its lowest since 1973, and the U.S. trade deficit narrowed for the first time in 7 months. Factory orders for March also rose. While it is considered highly unlikely the U.S. delegation in Beijing will strike a breakthrough deal to fundamentally change China-Euro trademark's economic policies, a package of short-term Chinese measures could delay a U.S. decision to impose tariffs on about $50 billion worth of Chinese exports. A euro or everything is looking good from an economic perspective, a euro, said Chris Zaccarelli, Chief Investment Officer of Independent Advisor Alliance in Charlotte, North Carolina. A euro or at a euro trademark's little snippets of negative stories coming out of earnings calls. There a euro trademark's a yo-yo effect, a euro. Tesla Inc., TSLAO, shares fell 5.6% after Chief Executive Officer Elon Musk cut off analysts asking about the company Euro trademark's profit potential, despite promises that production of the troubled Model 3 electric car was on track. Shares of Spotify Technology SA dropped 6.6% after the music streaming company Euro trademark's results, in line with analyst estimates, underwhelmed investors. Spotify made its debut as a public company in April. Declining issues outnumbered advancing ones on the NYSE by a 1.31 to 1 ratio, on Nasdaq, a 1.61 to 1 ratio favored decliners. The S&P 500 posted 7 new 52-week highs and 37 new lows, the Nasdaq Composite recorded 52 new highs and 70 new lows.